Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, and right now we're doing VeChain, and it's actually doing very nicely today, so I think you guys might be excited about it. Up 15% right now. I think it's better than yesterday. Let's quickly check that. Yeah, yesterday it did 12%, today is up 15%, so it's already outdoing yesterday, and maybe tomorrow is gonna go even more if this holds, because it actually has a really good chance to do that. We're gonna see why. But before we start looking at technicals and everything, I gotta ask you if how you picking the coins. Are you going to the coin market cap and like looking through the list what's already pumped like 20-30%? Or are you going maybe to some Discord channel, Telegram channel, and seeing what people are talking about? What's the biggest hype? That's the wrong way to pick coins. And if you want to have a healthy way to pick coins, join the Patreon page, man. We do daily altcoins video. I got 30 plus coins, rank them up real nice and everything. You know, so you stop buying like overbought stuff that's almost on the way down. That's all. Let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening with VeChain. Yesterday we bottomed out. Yesterday we bottomed out, and well, actually the day before that we bottomed out. Then yesterday we actually managed to get above this red line. That's the 20 moving average. It went up all the way up to the resistance, could not break 0.20, but retraced. Today we got support on the 20 and bounced all the way back, even above the 10 moving average up here. We are above 10 moving average right now, sitting nicely there. And I don't know if you remember the video from yesterday, how excited I was saying that you guys are really lucky. Do you remember that video, how lucky you are? I'm saying you are really lucky, because you bunch of people managed to like wait only 1 week of consolidation and get this from 92 down to 66 level. This RSI index, that it's an indicator in technical analysis. It's a rubber band, basically how much you can stretch something out, and you only waited 1 week. Usually people that go up to 93 on the RSI and get extended from the 10 moving average wait like 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. Cardano waited 2 months. You guys waited 1 week. You are lucky bunch. I gotta tell you that you are very lucky bunch. Anyways, that's why we are pumping now. We are doing good. I think if this holds, there will be no more consolidation for VeChain, and it's gonna go to some kind of new all-time heights, push all the indicators to overbought levels, and then go into next consolidation, if there ever comes next consolidation phase. But right now we are sitting very nicely here above the 10 moving average. So the next resistance is on the way up, because this is technically broken. It's not broken until the close, so this actually that isn't broken yet. We have to wait for the daily close to be broken, but you know, for the sake of the video, let's just remove the lines because you know we don't want to look at supports, man. We just want to look at the resistances. So we're going up, okay? So this is next level, 0.22. That's up here. That's what we're targeting. After that we're going to 0.25, and after that we're going to the... Okay, that's the game plan. We're going up there. That's the plan. That said, this is the targets that we are actually having to break. Let's just remove this so it's not annoying. And the 0.22 and 0.5, it's been holding forever. You can see here the trading up here has been insane. So this is actually resistance to break, but I think as soon as we can close above it, even if it's close right below it, sometimes closing right below it is enough to push the price going up. So that might be enough. So we're gonna see where it is gonna close, but we wanted to close above first step, because we're already above the 20 moving average. First step is to close it above this 10 moving average over here. If you can close it above 10 moving average today, this has real probability to break the 0.22 tomorrow. If we can break 0.20 tomorrow, we can maybe go all the way up there to 0.25 tomorrow. Wow, how much would that be? Yeah, another 18%. So 12, 15, 18%. Yeah, sounds good. Like we pushed up by 3%. Hey, that's actually 3%. This is 12%. This is 13. It should be 15%. 15% up there. And then if you close there, and then we are up at 18%. Nice. Life. Let's look at the technicals down here on the daily chart. What do we have here? We're sitting down on very nice 50 levels up here, down here, which we should be sitting on the daily chart. And this MACD cross is right now turning to the light red. It's, you know, people are always looking at these crosses. The crosses are important to confirm the bullishness, but they are not actually changes change between the green and the light green and the red and the light red lines. You can see here the change goes here, you can see the change, and change goes down here, but this change is not confirmed. This is confirmed because of this this confirmation. So what we are waiting for now is confirmation to confirm this this change over here. That will come in a couple of days because the bull run, because other indicators, because we are pretty sure it's gonna come, but it doesn't have to come, but it will come. So that's what we're waiting for. We're gonna see what's actually gonna happen. What are some targets for VeChain? Let me. And I'm back. I've been away for like 5 minutes, but you didn't notice that. And the best I've got right now is the line, but it doesn't help you much. So what I'm about to do, I'm not very proud of that. I'm a little bit ashamed, but you know, guy gotta do what guy gotta do to survive on YouTube. So so what I'm gonna do is we're gonna do something called Fibonacci extensions to figure out where targets might be. Okay, now everybody who knows me knows that I'm not very fan of Fibonacci. I use it sometimes when you're out of ideas, you know, you take what you get. Astrology, Fibonacci, you know. So we're gonna do Fibonacci. We're gonna do something called Fibonacci extensions, and we're gonna try to figure out where the target is. So this tool over here, we extend it from the wherever we think the move started and bottomed out, and we're gonna extend it there. So as you can see right now, the zero line is where the bottom was, and right now these are important levels: 2636, 162636, 46, and so forth, and also the whole numbers. Right, these are called Fibonacci numbers. If you don't know Fibonacci numbers, it's basically numbers that are repeatedly coming up in literally everything in mathematics and the natural world. So people often believe that because the numbers actually happen all over the place, they have to happen in charts as well. So that's why people use Fibonacci numbers, and that's why I don't like them. That said, right now we are hitting this 1.618 line, so that might maybe be so. Every single of these lines are right now acting as a resistance, and we can basically put the targets where we think the price should actually go to. Right, so the most obvious one is the 2.6 at 0.3. Let's put a little bit, yeah, exactly at 3, and then 3.6 at 338, and then one here 46. Now the three targets are 3, 4, and 5 are also possible, but which will be hit. The thing is, this is very complicated stuff, because you got now some kind of targets, but you also have to follow every second, every minute, every hour, like where will there be actual resistance, you know, when to take profits and stuff like that. But right now, at least you know the targets. 22 and 25 are real things, so you can be sure that these are resistance, and it will definitely get resisted. Will it actually get resisted at 30, 38, 46? It all depends. This is Fibonacci, man. You know, nobody does Fibonacci. Nobody. Okay, some people do Fibonacci, but you know, I don't do Fibonacci. I don't do any kind of Fibonacci. Just too much assumption for my game. That said, now you got something to hold on to until tomorrow's video, and we're gonna see what's the playtime for that. That said, subscribe to the channel, man. Like the video. Check out the comments below. Sorry, not comments. Links below. Patreon if you have trouble picking coins, and check out the Telegram group, man. We got a Telegram group, like 2,000 people right there. Chatting, really helpful, really nice people. Panicking a lot, looking at small time frames, FOMOing into everything that's 20-30% plus. You know, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Man gotta do what man gotta do. That's it. Thanks guys for watching. See you around. Bye bye.